Number 1.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, classic rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission.
It is finished in blue paint and comes with a clean, free and clear title.
Under the hood, the truck is equipped with a 350 cubic inch engine matched to a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and smooth shifting. It features power steering for easier handling, while power brakes and air conditioning are not equipped. The true mileage is unknown. The rear suspension is upgraded with coil springs and trailing arms instead of traditional leaf springs, which helps provide a more comfortable and controlled ride. This C10 starts right up, drives great, and runs clean with no smoke. Overall, it is a solid and reliable classic truck that can be driven confidently anywhere.
Number 2.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,900, powered by a 5.9L Magnum V8 that runs strong and smooth, paired with an automatic transmission and a fully functional 4WD system. It has a verified 148,000 miles, runs on gasoline, is finished in white, and comes with a clean title. The engine was rebuilt in 2022 and the transmission was rebuilt in 2018.
Recent maintenance includes newer brakes, tires, and a new catalytic converter with exhaust.
It sits on chrome wheels and is well suited for towing, off-road use, or daily driving. The interior is clean and comfortable with power options, showing only normal wear for its age. Overall, it is a solid, reliable truck that starts easily, shifts smoothly, and has no major mechanical issues. Minor scratches and small dents are present, consistent with normal use, with no frame rust or structural damage.
Number 3.
1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,900, finished in white. The truck is in great mechanical condition, supported by a pre-purchase inspection completed in December 2025 with all issues addressed. Maintenance includes a new interstate battery, clutch, water pump, rear brakes, transmission service, front ball joints, rear pinion seal, and new tires. A minor collision in 2018 was professionally repaired in past emissions testing. Cosmetically, the truck shows normal wear for its age, including small scuffs, paint chips, and a quarter-sized dent with light surface rust on the rear driver's side. The interior has been detailed, the exterior washed, and the vehicle has never been smoked in. Additional features include a bed liner and genuine Toyota replacement parts for the driver's side door handle and rear window lock.
Number 4.
1995 Toyota T100, price $9,995, powered by a 3.4L V6 gasoline engine. It has 193,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, making it a solid option for both daily use and light work duties. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. Power steering enhances driving comfort and maneuverability, while its power equipment adds everyday convenience. Safety and practicality are supported by intermittent windshield wipers, and the interior is designed for comfort with a split front bench seat, center armrest, cup holders, and an integrated clock.
For entertainment, the vehicle is equipped with an AM/FM audio system. Overall, this Toyota T100 offers dependable performance, practical features, and a straightforward design that reflects Toyota's reputation for durability. Number 5.
1995 Toyota pickup, price $8,000, featuring a rear-wheel drive configuration and a gasoline-powered engine paired with a manual transmission. It is powered by the legendary and bulletproof 22RE engine combined with a 5-speed manual gearbox, known for its durability and long-term reliability. The odometer shows 182,000 miles, and the vehicle comes with a clean title. It runs strong, drives smoothly, and has no mechanical or reliability issues, making it a very trustworthy daily driver or work truck. The air conditioning functions properly and blows cold air, adding comfort to the cabin. It is equipped with a bed liner to protect the truck bed, along with a rear step bumper for added convenience. The tires have date codes from 2019, and the vehicle has been recently smogged, ensuring it is ready for registration and road use.
Number 6.
1998 Ford F150, price $8,500, powered by a 4.6L gas engine with an automatic transmission and 4WD. It has 129,000 miles, a clean title, and only 2 previous owners. The truck received a new engine at 110,000 miles and has been well maintained. It rides on nearly new Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires with only 800 miles, and recent service includes new shocks, tie rods, sway bar links, upper control arms, CV axles, fuel pump, windshield, brakes, and fresh brake fluid.
Both front and rear differentials have been serviced, with new bearings and seals in the rear, and the transmission fluid has also been serviced. The white exterior looks excellent, with the brush guard removed, sanded, and repainted.
Inside, it features WeatherTech floor mats, gray seat covers, and seats in near-perfect condition.
Number 7.
1997 Ford F150, price $3,900, powered by a gas engine with an automatic transmission and has 200,000 miles on the odometer.
It holds a clean Oregon title and has been well maintained throughout its life. The truck runs great, drives smoothly, and has proven to be reliable and turnkey ready.
It has been used for long hauls and road trips without any issues and is currently problem-free, making it ready for daily driving. Maintenance has always been done on time, and the vehicle has never been abused. The tires all have good tread, everything functions properly, and the interior and exterior are both in very nice condition. It also comes with a newer battery and a new fuel pump, making this a solid and dependable truck overall.
Number 8.
1992 Dodge Dakota, price $3,500. This truck is powered by a gasoline engine and has an automatic transmission, showing 170,000 miles on the odometer with a clean title. Finished in gray, the truck comes nicely equipped with a gray cloth interior and a range of comfort and convenience features, including power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and steering wheel mounted controls. It retains its factory AM/FM stereo, alloy wheels, and a practical bedliner, adding both style and utility. Under the hood, it is fitted with a strong 5.2-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a solid and capable pickup with plenty to offer.
Number 9.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $3,900, well-maintained gas-powered pickup with 290,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission.
It comes with a clean California title in hand and is smog check ready. The truck has had only one owner, with registration tags paid and valid until May 2026. Powered by a V6 engine that was rebuilt a few years ago, it runs and drives amazingly well.
The air conditioning blows ice cold, and overall the truck is in very clean condition. There is only minor fading on the hood, but aside from that, the exterior remains super clean. Overall, this Ford Ranger looks great, runs strong, and has clearly been well cared for.
Number 10.
1985 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, price $4,000, powered by a gasoline engine with 123,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a clean title, a gray exterior, and a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck runs smoothly and delivers plenty of power, enhanced by a sporty exhaust system that replaces the catalytic converter, giving it a strong and great-sounding tone. It has been well maintained, featuring a new mechanical fuel pump, a new fuel filter, and a recently serviced carburetor at Flaco's Carburetor on Manchester Avenue. The vehicle is equipped with a fully functional air conditioning system and heater, making it comfortable to drive in various conditions. An emergency spare tire is conveniently mounted under the bed, adding to its practicality.